Hey everybody, so we are at the incredible Winky Lux Nashville Store, and here I have Maddie, who is the store manager.
Hey y'all!
And so we're gonna run through our top 3 most favorite Winky Lux products because they're all incredible, but these are our top 3. So number 1 is the pH changing lip balms, which are insane. Maddie, can you tell us some more?
Yes, so these are going to turn to your perfect pink. Everyone's pink is different. It's a lot of fun and leaves a great lip stain too.
And there's a lot of glitter in them, which if you don't know, I'm obsessed with glitter. Yeah, those are my sneakers.
Number 2, the glitter puff spray. So this is my favorite product. It is so much fun. Sparkles everywhere.
It's called Pink Cloud Color. Is that the color of
Yes,
it?
ma'am.
I mean, it's kind of colorless. It's just all glitter, and you can never put too much. You can put it anywhere, like on your clothes. Look at Maddie's shirt. She's all glittered out. This is like the best glitter ever, and it is like a cloud. It's just a puff of magic. Here, we got the light in here. Get the light in. See, look. I'm not even joking. This is amazing.
She's very beautiful.
Number 3 is the Peeper Perfect Under Eye Concealer, which is my favorite. I found out about it from Abby, the Badass Mom, incredible TikToker. She knows her makeup. Have been obsessed with this ever since. And not just because it actually is just like the best under eye concealer, but also because I had a pet bird named Mr. Peepers. So, yeah, Mr. Peepers, yeah, Mr. Peepers. He was cute. He was cute. Peepers. Okay, we got a bonus. It's a number 4.
The In the Stars lip oil. So it smells like cupcakes and vanilla. It's chapstick but better. It's my fave, and look how gorgeous she is.
There are literally stars in there, guys. It's so cool. All right, guys, I can't stop myself. We have a number 5. It's the Cheeky Rose Highlighter, and it is just, I mean, it's literally a rose. It's so cool.
It's gorgeous, super natural as well, so you can get that glowy look. Love her.
And it's just so pretty. I absolutely love all of the products. It was very hard to choose just 3/more. But yes, anytime you're in Nashville, be sure to check out the Winky Lux store. Maddie's going to be here. She'll be taking care of you, and she's amazing.